Hello. This is not my video.
Great. Wait, this way. There you go. I have not made a video in a very long time.
It's about damn time.
Yeah. Hello everybody. Today we are announcing my new project car, and hopefully I will be making videos, I was gonna say daily,
Nope.
weekly on this project. It is an NA Miata. I believe it is a 1991. Caleb actually got that for me.
Beat up shell.
But you know.
Has a clean title though.
It's got a clean title, which is nice.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna try to build something really cool out of it, which is going to be
A go-kart Miata, which I know a lot of you guys have seen go-kart cars. You know, you cut the body off a car, you build a cool, you know, like axle cage type thing, and then it's a light little go-kart. And that's what we're gonna be doing to this one.
Why are we still here?
The body is like so shot that it would be way too much effort to make it actually look nice, like
Yeah.
my Miata.
cool.
I mean,
You got a cool,
okay,
yeah,
uh-huh.
we know.
So yeah, we're just gonna pretty much cut all the rust and body parts off. We're gonna do some rust repair. We'll do a roll cage. We'll do an engine, which we'll talk about, and some other
Yep.
stuff.
And hopefully we'll go to some drift events maybe, or some...
Right, with a clean
autocross
title,
events.
he'll be able to drive it to drift events and stuff.
The goal is to make it also street legal, so I can drive it in the summer.
Yeah,
Should be fun.
right, just tail lights and headlights, that's pretty much all you need, blinkers.
Caleb actually got this car to take the steering rack out of it, correct?
Yeah, for the truck.
For the truck. The subframe is dropped right now. Today we're gonna try to put it back to the frame, or whatever's left of
Body,
it.
yeah. Rust right there. There's a floor, a hole in the floor. Got him!
This car also had a lot of spiders in it.
Yes,
Like, too
that's
many.
true. Hopefully they're all dead. No dash, no pedals. Comes with a seat. Obviously we don't want to use that. Came with a bumper, which I'm gonna steal.
The
Got subframes,
fuel lines.
and it has a diff. And brake lines and fuel lines and a fuel tank.
We also got the wheels for the car, which Jared actually provided. Caleb's using it for extend in his hood. Hopefully we'll get this thing rolling within the next couple weeks.
So we're pretty much going to cut the body off from the front struts forward. We'll cut the windshield off, we'll cut the rear quarter panels off and all the stuff back there, and we will cut the frame rail off after the rear subframe. We're gonna do like a weld-on roll cage, and then we'll add some stuff to it. So pretty much we have two options for engine. We could do a Miata engine, and a 1.6 liter Miata engine. We're gonna have a spare soon. So we could just, you know, throw that in there, you know, 116 horsepower. Or what we could do is we could do the old engine out of the truck, which is a naturally aspirated 2.2 liter.
However, we have to rebuild it.
We have to rebuild it because it's torn apart right now. It makes less power than the Miata motor, but it makes a little bit more torque. It'd also be something different and unique, which I think like a truck-powered Miata cart would be so cool. And then
Plus we have the
boost
transmission to it and everything,
Right.
so-
We have a transmission and everything, so we don't need to buy anything. The only thing is that the wiring wouldn't just be plug and play. We'd have to do some custom wiring.
A little bit.
We'd also might have to do some custom motor mounts. Pretty much the Miata motor will be a little bit easier, but the truck motor will be a little bit cooler, more unique, but will require some fabrication. So let us know what you guys think, truck motor
Yeah.
or Miata motor. The goal of this build is for it to be like a super budget build.
Budget build, yes.
Right, we want to get it running for like, what, 1,500 bucks
Yeah,
at max.
totally. Without boost, obviously.
Right,
As long
without
as, like, running.
boost. It needs like new ball joints. The subframes aren't rusty, but it needs like some, you know, new suspension bits. It really just mostly needs a little bit of fabrication work. That's why I was really down to buy something this rusty, is because I know I would be doing the rust repair and stuff, and I'm excited to learn how to do that kind of stuff.
And I'm excited to have a vehicle that is not a daily vehicle. I might not seem excited, but I am. Okay,
It's gonna be a lot of work, but
it's gonna be a lot of work, and it's gonna be fun.
it's a free little drift car for Pasha. So I gave him the car.
Yeah.
I'm letting you keep it here. So like, it'll just be like a cool little car for both of us to just rip around in.
Thank you, Caleb.
Like when we go to events, now you'll be able to take something,
Yeah.
hopefully.
Yep.
Although we don't have a trailer big enough to bring it, so you'll have to drive it all the way there with no roof or windshield.
Yeah. I'm ready for that. Honestly, I'm down.
It'll be kind of fun.
But anyway, let's get going with putting subframe back in the car.
Hopefully it's not too difficult.
Okay, cool. Let's get this going.
Let's get it. There we go. Okay, jack up.
Now we're just gonna bolt that in to the frame, and Kib's doing the other side right now. Yikes.
All right, well, I did finish painting the hood. It looks like literal.
Now there's my SD card in there, right?
Oh.
It's my video now, actually. Like, I switched the SD cards. You wanna be in my video? Hey, Jared. Hey, Aaron.
Hi.
Audrey. Hi, Audrey. So after working on the Miata for a little bit and putting the subframe back into the car, we decided, well, Caleb decided he wants to take the plastic dip off his rally Miata. So that took us like, what, 3 hours probably? All the plastic dip is gone from that car. We didn't have much more time to work on this car, and we can't really work on it because we need, what do we need? What are those called?
Lower ball joint.
Lower ball joints, okay? These things. Lower ball joints and control arms. But yeah, so we need more parts to be able to put the wheels back on the car and drop it so it can be a rolling shell. Currently it's just sitting on jack. We're not doing anything else to this car today, and I just literally wanted to make an introduction video. Just so Jared knows I have a car now, so he watches my videos, right? Like I want to. Yeah, it's right, this one, right there. Yeah, we're gonna start working at, well, we're gonna continue working on it next Sunday. How do I English this? Right. After talking to Caleb and figuring out what we need, we both will think about what we need, and we'll order the parts this week, and hopefully by next Sunday we'll have something so we can start working on everything. And if we don't, then we're gonna start working on the body, cutting everything and seeing what we need to repair with the rust. We need to redo the floors because obviously there's like a hole in the floor.
Got him.
We also need to redo the frame rails because the frame rail underneath is pretty rusty, pretty bad. You can't really see anything out there right now, but I'll show you in the next video. We're gonna have to redo that. We'll probably get new frame rails and we'll weld. We're hoping to get this car done by the next summer, so I can, or spring more like, yeah, and have it all running, driving, and be cool. Once again, I hope it's gonna be budget build. I'm not trying to spend over like 1,500 bucks on it. Anyway, I'm super glad that I am back with making videos. I hope to continue being more consistent with it. I was taking a little break and I just didn't feel like making anything. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you, Caleb, for getting me a car and working on the car with me.
You're welcome.
And we will see you next Sunday in the next video, whenever that's gonna come out.
Yeah, you didn't thank Jared.
Thank you, Jared, for being here, being an awesome friend. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay positive. Bye.